Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting the controller and launching the calibration tool you chose. You want to use Steam Big Picture or a lightweight utility. Once the controller is visible, open the controller settings and enable configuration support. Make sure to back up the current profile before adjusting anything so you can revert. Now, select the stick you want to normalize and prepare to test inputs. Keep a gamepad tester window open to watch values move in real time. You now tweak the dead zone numerically while watching live feedback. Begin with the detected value and change it in small steps, 1 to 5%, so you can feel the difference. Once done, test full range motion. Push all directions and check diagonals. Make sure the input returns to exactly 0 at rest. If small movements feel delayed, try an anti-dead zone or switch to a linear response curve, because those options change how small inputs are amplified versus ignored. You finish by saving the adjusted profile and testing in a real game scenario. Aim trainers and movement checks are ideal. If performance is good, lock the profile and keep the backup for quick restores. If you still see drift, make sure to recenter the stick with the calibration tool, reinstall drivers, or try the controller on another PC to isolate hardware issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: restoring the backup and repeating adjustments often reveals a tiny misstep you missed the first time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.